A breathtaking 4-bedroom executive home with 4 washrooms, nestled in a quiet neighbourhood of Whitby's Taunton North community. Welcome to 3 Branstone Drive. A brick home surrounded by evergreen trees and shrubs, and having the seasonal lushness of perennial plantings in both the front and backyards. Its semi-private covered porch has exterior pot lighting, and through double front entry doors is an incredibly spacious ceramic tiled foyer, welcoming you into a main level that is an entertainer's delight. To the left are the open concept formal living and dining rooms. A soft color palette, crown moldings, and richly hued hardwood flooring enhance the elegance of these 2 spaces, while the living room's north-facing bay window, as well as an oversized south-facing window in the dining room, both with light-diffusing blinds, allow natural light to spill into these spaces, giving them a bright and airy aura. The dining room also features a classic chandelier accented with a ceiling medallion for added ambient lighting, while a gorgeous modern chandelier illuminates the breakfast area. Pot lighting also brightens this space, the adjacent family room, and the kitchen, in addition to the natural light that streams through windows and the sliding door walkout, all which have California shutters. The foyer and reception hall's ceramic flooring flows throughout the kitchen area as well, and the kitchen's beautifully appointed workspace showcases granite counters with a raised breakfast bar, a mosaic tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double undermount sink, French door fridge, stove with dual ovens, as well as a built-in microwave and dishwasher, while its crisp white cabinetry and standalone pantry are finished with lovely crystal cabinet hardware. The very generously sized family room features the warmth of richly hued hardwood flooring and the added coziness of a gas fireplace with an elegant white mantel. Enjoying a south-facing exposure with backyard views, the family room also has 2 separate entries from the kitchen area, one which has a half wall graced with a decor column, which enhance the entertaining convenience and ease of flow of this level. Entertaining extends to the outdoors onto a backyard deck with glass railing that stretches across the home. Partially covered by a metal gazebo, the deck includes a hot tub for year-round enjoyment, while the backyard has a shed at the rear that provides ample seasonal storage. The main level additionally features a hallway wall display niche, a large double coat closet, a powder room having a gorgeous furniture-style vanity with stone counter and vessel basin, access to a double-car garage, as well as a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, a window with a California shutter, and cabinetry storage. The hallway and foyer areas are finished with crown moldings, and curving gracefully to the upper level is a beautiful oak hardwood staircase which has an elegant chandelier suspended above it, with this bright, light-washed level showcasing hardwood flooring in the hallway, 4 incredibly spacious bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. All 4 bedrooms have the coziness and comfort of broadloom, with the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms featuring spacious double closets, windows with California shutters, and having either north or south-facing exposures. These 3 bedrooms additionally share amongst them the main 5-piece washroom, which features ceramic finishes, a wall-to-wall vanity with an exquisite vanity light, and which will be updated with a new quartz counter, undermount basins, and faucets, a raised ceiling above its 3 arched windows, as well as a bath area with sliding glass and mirrored doors. Through a double-door entry is the generously sized master suite, where a south-facing window allows for backyard views and ample natural lighting, which complements the ambient brightness of its gorgeous crystal light fixture. In addition to a walk-in closet with organizers, this lovely retreat additionally showcases a spa-like 5-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a corner soaker tub, a separate shower area with glass door and rainfall shower head, and a vanity with an exquisite vanity light, which will also be updated with a new quartz counter, undermount basins, and faucets. And the window in this washroom, as well as those in the common use washroom, are complete with California shutters. The lower level staircase is finished with broadloom, as is most of this level, which has pot lighting throughout, a cold room, storage under the staircase, and which is divided into two distinct recreation areas, both with plenty of room for entertaining or to be used as personal and family needs require. The first recreation space has a built-in storage unit and a set of French doors directly opening into the other recreation area, and this room has potential for partial conversion into a household or guest bedroom, with this level also having the convenience of a 3-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and a corner glass shower. The second recreation area itself has two distinct spaces, one which is centered around the warmth of a gas fireplace, the other finished with laminate flooring and ideal as a workout, yoga, or play area. A short walk to Robert Munch Public School, Narista Park, and the Smart Center's Whitby Northeast Shopping Mall. This home is also close to the Taunton Gardens Shopping Mall, the McKinney Center Indoor and Outdoor Recreational Facility, as well as the Heber Down and Cullen Park trail systems, while the Entertainment Centrum, Whitby's waterfront parks and beaches, the GO Station, and access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.